Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to put two photos side by side on your Windows computer, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Open Paint. Search for Paint in the Windows search bar and open the application. After this, click on the downward pointing arrow associated with the clipboard. Select Import. Import your first picture and you can resize it. Let us say that the size is too big, then I can resize it too. After this, click on import once again. Select the second picture. Now you can change the size of the second picture and align it accordingly. This is how you can keep two pictures side by side in Microsoft Paint. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club. Scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.